Okay, question 20 is an angles question. We're coming to the end of the paper now. This is a more challenging angles question around parallel angle facts on parallel lines. What makes it more challenging is the fact that no numbers are given and we're asked to find angle C in terms of A and B. So let's use the diagram and draw in what we know. It tells us the diagram's not drawn to scale. We wouldn't be able to use an angle measurer for this question just to find angles, okay? It's looking for an answer where we say C equals, and then your answer is going to have to say A and B in it, okay? So first things first, if we look at angle C, we know that that is corresponding to that angle, okay? So that might help us. We also know that B, that's the corresponding angle there. Now I can see a triangle here. Angles inside a triangle total 180. So that angle there, okay, that angle there would be, if I just draw a little arrow in so you can see, that angle there is going to be 180 subtract whatever A added to B is, okay? And then because of this straight line here, C is going to be added to that to make 180. So if I subtract that from 180, I'll get C. So C is the same as 180 subtract this angle, 180 minus whatever A is added to B. And if I simplify that, 180 subtract 180 disappears. And then we've got this subtract minus A is positive A, add B. There we are. So C is equal to A plus B. Here's another angles on parallel lines question. Have a little try, pause the video and then check your answers. This one's a little more straightforward. You just need to find the size of the missing angles A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now if we have a look, this angle here is 52. That corresponds here to A, so A is 52. That one there's also 52, and that one there's also 52. It can be helpful to write all the angles you know in on a diagram like this, because that will help you find further ones. So I can see here that this is a straight line. So C will be 180 subtract 52. Okay, so you don't have to do them in the order that they're here. So 180 subtract 52 is 128. This here, so that's 128. This here is a straight line also. So those two angles total 180. So B is also going to be 180 subtract 52. So B is also 128. There. I can see that this is 52. This will be 128. That'll be 128. 52, 128. 52, 128. Okay. I can see that this angle here is 88, which is equal to that one there, which will be 88, which corresponds to E. So E is 88. That one there also corresponds to this one here, so that angle in there is 88. This angle here is the same as this 52. And we have a triangle here, so D is going to be 180 subtract 52 and 88. So D is, that's 140, so D is 40.